Today we have a microphone showdown between some of the most popular Logitech headsets you can get for your work calls and meetings. Before we jump into the microphone comparisons, when there's background noise going on, we have two speaker phones synced up together. That's gonna provide audio coming from the right and to the left of me, so we get the most accurate result in a controlled environment.
In a quiet work environment with no background noise, this is how the Logitech Zone 2 would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. In a quiet working environment, this is how the Logitech Zone 305 would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you were using the Logitech Zone Vibe wireless headset in a quiet working environment, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. With a baby crying, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a loud baby crying. Testing 1, 2, 3. If there was a baby crying, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a loud baby crying. Testing 1, 2, 3. Baby crying, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a baby crying. Testing 1, 2, 3.
If you're enjoying this video so far, give it a like, and if you didn't know already, at Headset Advisor, we do more than just create YouTube videos. We also sell these products, so if you're within the United States and you want to give one of these headsets a try, visit the links in the description of this video, and for a further discount, feel free to use promo code YouTube at checkout. Now let's get back to the microphone comparisons.
With dogs barking, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you had dogs barking, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With dogs barking, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With chickens making noise, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's chickens making noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. If there was noises of chickens playing, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's chicken noises happening. Testing 1, 2, 3. With noises of a chicken playing, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's chickens making noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. With open office call center noise playing, this is what it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Open office call center noise playing. Testing 1, 2, 3. If there's call center noise, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you're in an open office call center, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. With open office call center noise playing, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's open office call center noise playing. Testing 1, 2, 3. With me talking on a video to simulate someone speaking next to you, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm talking on a video. Testing 1, 2, 3. To simulate someone speaking next to you, I have a video of myself playing. So this is what it would sound like if someone was talking. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a video of me speaking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With me talking on a video to simulate someone speaking next to you, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm speaking on a video. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you happen to be running a blender right next to you, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Running a blender. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you happen to be running a blender, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's an extremely loud blender running. Testing 1, 2, 3. With the blender running, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a loud blender running. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you were typing on a keyboard, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Typing on a keyboard, testing 1, 2, 3. If you were typing on a keyboard, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Typing on a keyboard, testing 1, 2, 3. If you were typing on a keyboard, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Typing on a keyboard, testing 1, 2, 3.
Now that you heard the different microphone comparisons, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this in the future.